mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the darkness.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new vlog, you guys. I wanted to start this vlog in the morning itself, but I couldn't, and abhi already evening time ho chuka hai. So right now I was about to go and get ready. I have to go out today, not for like fun, but actually for work, like something that I've been putting off for quite some time. I have my iPad, which I use a lot for almost everything in my life, and the pencil that I write with, this one right here, the Apple Pencil, it is broken now apparently. I don't know why. It didn't even like fall or anything, just one fine day it decided to not work anymore. Pencil is still like working, but I don't know, there's something wrong with the tip because it wouldn't write, so I have to get that fixed because uski wajah se mera sara kaam ruka hua hai. Like the notes and all that I make are mostly on my iPad, and I cannot write without my pencil. So I was thinking of going to CP today and going to an Apple store over there to get it checked. If sahi nahi ho pata hai, then I'm probably gonna buy a new one, but not from Apple. I'll buy some like normal local brand from like Amazon or something. And the mausam is really nice today. It is the evening time almost. I was gonna leave in a little while, so the outfit I was planning for today is traditional. I've got a lot of new kurtas, so I want to try those out. I want to do like a mix, like Indo-Western look, like, you know, kurta with jeans and like jhumkas and bindi and all of that. So I recently rearranged my closet. It was getting like super messy. So yeah, some of you guys have asked me to do a wardrobe tour, even though honestly ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं दिखाने के लिए यहाँ पे. It is like very simple. I have quite a small closet and very few clothes. As you can see, I have more as well, but that is like winter stuff, so that's kept inside. Okay, so here I have all my kurtas, a lot of them right here organized. I'm probably gonna wear one of these today, like I said. So yeah, this is where I have all my traditional stuff, kurtas mainly. After that, moving on to this side, here it is like very random. I'm not organized it much. I have like these oversized t-shirts right here that I wear you know, for like a casual outing. I have a lot of these like mini crop tops also over here. These are the stuff that I wear like very often. Apart from the tops, also have like shirts like this pink shirt right here, this blue one. These are really great for like layering, you know, wearing a tube top inside and putting this on top. And the tube tops and everything, they are kept in here. I'll show you guys later. So yeah, shirts, oversized t-shirts, crop tops, all of them in this side. And isi side ke end mein towards this corner, I have the dresses. Obviously everyday basis पे I do not wear these, so I just put them towards the side because obviously ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Also on one of the hangers here I have some of my tote bags hanging, like कुछ tote bags यहाँ पे भी लगे हुए हैं. So that was top पे. नीचे I have separate racks, so let me show you close up सब racks में क्या है. Over here I have my denim jeans and trousers. यहाँ पे I have all my skirts, long skirts, short skirts, all kinds of skirts. These checkered ones are all here. Then यहाँ पे I have some more trousers and pants, lowers basically सब mixed है, denims भी हैं. And पीछे की तरफ in that corner I have some of my shorts. ये I put up in here. These are the shorts. तो इस वाले में ये तो बस एक random towel. यहाँ पे mostly घर पे पहनने वाले कपड़े I have kept. So my lowers that I wear at home, some of the t-shirts that I wear at home, some more t-shirts, and yeah, these are some kurtas that I wear. Here also I have some random lowers kept down here, and this is like some cartons जिसमें अभी भी कपड़े रखे हैं, अभी तक मैंने निकाले भी नहीं है. These are the new clothes I have to make a video on, तो अभी I'm not touching these. After the video is done, then I will start wearing it. So ये था the entire closet, and ये rack, this drawer right here that you can see, इसके अंदर I just have you know, the smaller stuff, you know, all the innerwear, socks वगैरह, my caps as well. So वही सब जो extra like accessories वाली चीज़ें हैं, all of that is in there, belts वगैरह. So that is my entire closet, pretty small and basic. So yeah, that is it for the wardrobe tour. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं दिखाने के लिए, इसलिए there's no point in making like a whole dedicated video on it. So I just integrated that into this video in this vlog. So yeah, that was the wardrobe. Okay guys, now it's time to go ahead and get ready. So सबसे पहले मैं अपना skin care and makeup कर रही हूँ. And there's also kind of like a debate going on about getting ready, like hair and makeup first या फिर outfit first. And let me know what you guys do. I तो realize that I do either kuch bhi. Some days I wear the outfit first and then do my makeup and hair, and some days I do my makeup and hair first and then the outfit. I don't know, I just do what I feel like in that moment. And abhi mera man kar raha hai to do my skincare and makeup first. Get this pillow because zameen pe baithne pe my feet are aching. So before starting with the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and put on sunscreen because I have to go out. So obviously sunscreen ke bina I cannot leave the house. It is a must. So the sunscreen that I've been using recently, it is this one. It is Aqualogica's D-Tan Plus Dewy Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA++++ and gives you protection from UVA and UVB rays. I love its texture so much, you guys. It's super lightweight and absorbs really quickly as well. With cherry tomato and hyaluronic acid, it reduces your tan and brightens your skin. And as you can see, it doesn't leave any white cast either. Since I'm also going out today, I also need to reapply the sunscreen, which makes it quite a hassle, honestly. That's why we have the same sunscreen in a spray format, which is so cool. Here's Aqualogica's D-Tan Plus Sunscreen Spray. I love its hydrating and sweat resisting formula. It feels so lightweight on my skin and absorbs within seconds, and again leaves no white cast. It's so convenient, honestly. My travel buddy sunscreen for sure. Aqualogica is clean, vegan and cruelty free. You can find these products on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Also on Aqualogica's website, you can use my coupon code Lavanya2024 for additional discounts. I will leave the links in the description box below, so go check it out.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom, I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like
For wearing out today, I was thinking of wearing this kurta. It's pretty cute and इसके साथ का lower भी है नीचे, but I wanna make it like an Indo-Western look. So I was thinking jeans के साथ इसको पहनती हूँ. Okay guys, so this is the outfit. Honestly, I don't like it for some reason. The kurta is really nice and the jeans is also nice, but individually them being nice doesn't mean that they look good combined as well. Like look at that, it doesn't match at all and it is not the kind of look that I wanted. Yeah, I'm not wearing this, but I still want to wear the kurta because I don't know why, but I want to dress traditional today. So instead of like making it Indo-Western with like jeans, let's make it like a full traditional outfit. Okay guys, so this looks much better now, honestly. I've worn it with the matching pants. We're gonna wear some nice juttiyan along with it, some jhumkas, we're gonna put on some bangles and bindi as well. The problem with bindi, however, is that I don't actually have a bindi. So instead of putting on an actual bindi, the hack that I use every time is to make one myself using an eyeliner. I have to be super careful while doing this because a lot of times it has happened that lagate waqt I think it is right in the center, but when I finally see it, it's actually thoda sa side mein. So let's be very careful and concentrated. Oh my god, no, wait, shit, god, how did it freaking... Okay guys, that is the bindi. Does it look fine? Yeah, I think it's good. And next up we have these pretty little jhumkas. These are really small. Can you see it? I think as a plain outfit doesn't look that good, but like that is a part, that is a stage where I'm super unsure about an outfit. I'm like, you know, it doesn't look good, but then I remind myself that I have to trust the process because actually accessorize karne ke baad hi the final look comes together, and that is when you can truly judge it. So yeah, those are the earrings. I also have some bangles to wear with it. These are matching with the jhumkas, silver, and yeah, the reason I'm wearing it is not because these are matching, but the reason is that these are the only ones I have, so I don't really have much of a choice here. And for the hair, should I keep it down like this? I could keep it down. I just shampooed it yesterday, so it is still nice, but I think I can also try putting it up. but my hair is like too short to, you know, stay put over there like that, so it's really difficult, but let me still try it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the hair up. ज़्यादा अच्छा तो नहीं लग रहा है, somehow like fix it with a clutcher. So I think it looks good, and I think I like my hair up better because इससे जो neckline है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से दिख रही है, and the earrings also with my hair open अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा है. So I think I want to keep it up, but my strands in the front are like this, like this. So I want them straight. So pretty, oh my god. See, I was telling myself trust the process, and now it looks so much better. अभी मेरे बाल निकल रहे हैं because it is too short. I have to keep like tucking it inside like that all the time. Okay guys, here is the full and final outfit. I really like it. It's pretty cute. So I am gonna take the metro today obviously. So yeah, let's go guys. Let's go to Rajiv Chowk metro station right now. The metro station right now, and it is so hot. यहाँ metro station तक चलकर आने में हालत ख़राब हो गई है, but yeah. Hey you guys, I just got done with the Apple Pencil thing, and I'm so pissed off right now. I showed this woman the pencil. I thought it was like 2 minute ka issue, she'll fix it right there on the spot, and she was like it is irreparable, it wouldn't work anymore. So basically my 11,000 is down the drain. So either I have to get a brand new Apple Pencil, which no way in hell is ever gonna happen, but I was thinking of buying like a local brand or something, because obviously इस वजह से मेरा सारा काम रुका हुआ है. But as for the Apple Pencil, that was the end of it. That was its entire lifespan. So now I can give it a little funeral. So I came all this way to CP for nothing because काम नहीं हो पाया. But it's fine. I think we are done. And since हम लोग बाहर आ ही गए, let's go and have something. So at least something good can come out of this. So I've come to this cafe called Diggin here to get something to eat. So yeah, I just want one thing. I'm not gonna have a lot. Let's go and have. It's gonna be a fun solo date. So ज़्यादा कुछ I can't have because I'm अकेले यहाँ पे. So I'm ordering just this one, herb chicken bruschetta 285 का. ये भी क्या पता थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाए. So I'm not ordering anything more than this. And it's nice. And the lighting is really nice as well. So I've ordered this chicken bruschetta. इतना भी ज़्यादा quantity नहीं है. I think I will be able to have the whole thing because I'm kind of starving right now. And it is matching with my dress also, green.